Cadillac cts4. Bad a door actuator, lock actuator here. When you lock your car, the driver's side doesn't lock, so you have to do it manually by pushing actually the lever on the top. So this is the old part that's pulled out and it goes right there. So after you remove the panel, she's just really one screw in the bottom here, I mean on the middle here, the handle, and you can just pull one screw here and another one in here, two screws after you remove this plastic piece where the handle is for the door panel. After you do that, you just disconnect this connector here, and basically you want to take the actuator itself and just swing it a little bit until this lever here comes out. Then when it comes out, you swing it more to remove the one for the key. So there is no other way to pull them out from the inside. You have to remove the two top screws to the lock, and you have to push the lock to the inside here and twist to get these levers out. After you do that, the new one in from the dealer comes with the cable for the handle. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back in and see how it goes. It shouldn't be hard as long as you have the right tools. Not a lot of tools, but just make sure the glass is up before you put the panel inside the car, whatever. Just make it easier. You cannot work with the glass down, so make sure the glass is up. Okay.